was gonna get a cup of coffee. That's all they gave me.
It's guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Vlogmas day 1. So we are trying something new and we are gonna do Vlogmas. My name is Larisha Chanel if you're new here. I am a girl that's new to New York City. So the first Christmas in New York City. So low-key excited. So today we are gonna do Christmas stuff. I'm gonna try and go to Fifth Ave and see all the pretty Christmas lights. I'm gonna go to LES. LES is the Lower East Side, and then I'm just gonna like check out all the cute Christmas atmosphere, go to Christmas stores, really get in the Christmas spirit because it's December 1st, of course. So we're gonna try and do weekly vlogs of Vlogmas. Not promising every day, but you will see me a lot this month on this channel. So subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna get ready and get cute right now. I'm Jen and I'm wearing some Sorella sweats in the house, but I'm gonna get dressed and yeah. So why did I miss the freaking tree lighting, the Saks Fifth Avenue thing? I told myself I was gonna do all the cute Christmas stuff in New York and try and go to all the events and stuff. Happened last night. I was watching from somebody's live on TikTok and I realized that the Christmas lights was up already. I was like, damn, I missed out on the cute major Christmas moment in New York. I missed the Macy's Day Parade. I just missed a lot. But today I'm gonna go out, check out the scene. I'm probably gonna go to some of those shops to see like all the cute Christmas decor. I already went to Hudson Yards and it's gorgeous over there. But like I'm mad I missed all that cute stuff. But I know that's like touristy stuff, but I'm not from New York, so like seeing those stuff is like magical. It makes you feel like you're in a movie and stuff. Today I'm trying to make it a content day. I have this jacket from Zara that I've been wanting to take a picture in. Just put it on my forehead. And the last picture I took on Instagram was so fire, so I gotta like redeem myself. Yo, it just hit me. I don't know, I better look up when the LV museum closes, because if I miss that, I'm really gonna cuss Ayana if I miss that. I have a cute outfit already for that. Plan the right day to go, and now it's getting freaking cold in New York where you're gonna need your puffer jackets. Annoyed about that, because once it gets to this kind of cold, I'm not going anywhere. Okay, so my makeup is done. I feel like I did a good job. Did like a little bust down on my wig. I'm so proud because I did it myself. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna do a little unboxing because I just got some mail, and let's see what I got. I'm excited. I already know what it is. Sorry. I'm so excited to be working with this brand. I have been wanting this item and it's been in my Sephora cart, so it's actually crazy that they reached out to me. So I'm so excited and so grateful. This is just like another reminder that I'm on the right track. So let me open it up for you. I have makeup all over myself, so I'm gonna show you guys the package that I just received. What? We love that. Okay, so it's from Topicals, not a shocker. Well, it's a shocker for me. And it says make skin look good. Ooh, is this Baby Tate? This is Baby Tate, I think. And then what's good at the back. And then we got Maya the Dawn in here. All the YouTube it girls, so it's vegan, dye-free, and cruelty-free. Basically, I've been having problems with my skin, hyperpigmentation going crazy. So they sent me the brightening and clearing serum for uneven skin tone, the faded. I love it because it's like, you know that Tiger song? Owned by a black woman, has kojic acid, melatonin, niacinamide, licorice root. So I heard really good things. I heard that it just smells bad, but I heard really good things about this. I'm so excited. Use once a week to start and work your way up to daily use with sun protection. I'm gonna be killing this. And then they also sent me a hydrating mask, and then also this is the brightening cleanser mist. So you spray it all over your body. I don't know who's calling me. Spray it all over your body, and then it's like, you know, for body acne and stuff, because, you know, like, I'm trying to clear up my chest. So thank you Topicals so much for sending me this cute package. You know, I love pink, so I'm so excited to start my journey as a Topicals ambassador, and I would definitely do like a video on skincare and let you guys know how it goes. So this is my outfit for the day. I have this Margiela bodysuit, and I'm gonna pair it with my Wolford pants. And then so I'm gonna probably wear this Fendi bag, and then this Zara shearling jacket that I'm obsessed with, but it's kind of small, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep it, but I'm gonna try it on and see how this all looks. This is the outfit of the day. The jacket is Zara, the bodysuit Margiela, the pants Wolford, and then wearing my off-white 4s, and then this Givenchy bag. I just love Harlem. As soon as I step out my house, all these compliments. But yes, this is the outfit for today. I'm heading over to Elias. That's Ayana's neighborhood. And then we go into 2nd Street. And then it's really cold, so I don't really want to be outside today too much. Like, I'm already like not here for the cold weather. I'm scared. Once it gets too cold, I'm not here for it. Oh my God. Made it to the Lower East Side. I'm not cuffing and puffing because I was walking up the steps. One thing about New York, you cannot be overweight because the stairs gonna put you to work. So I'm basically trying to find 2nd Street right now, and I think it's on this street, but I'm on Delancey. I'm not sure. It looks really nice. Sorry, I'm just overwhelmed. Is this new?
Yeah, it's very new.
Oh, okay. I haven't seen this store before. To do like, you know, aesthetics of the store. It's cool. Oh, they got a little reseller market over here. Ooh, they're kind of cute. Okay, it's actually really cute. Oh, it's cute down here. They got a little thing where you could take the picture. That is so cute. You could be in like the hot chocolate thing. Look, I want to take the picture, but I don't want to be that one awkward person that goes and takes the picture. But I think I'm gonna just do it. Nah, the niggas is on my body today. A girl can't vlog in peace. Like, damn. I'm trying to take this photo at this cute cafe. All for the aesthetics, basically, at this point. And you would not believe the cup of coffee that I got. I thought I was gonna get a cup of coffee. That's all they gave me for $4, almost $5. That's a scam. Okay, but we're gonna try and take this content. Okay, so I finally got my pictures in, and people are just staring at me. It was so embarrassing, but that's what you gotta do. I was not trying to wait for Ayana because by the time she comes out, I feel like the sun is gonna be down. So I tried a ting, and I was taking my own photos for the first time right here on Orchid Street in the Lower East Side. So shout out to me. I'm gonna just drink my macchiato. It's so bad. I'm just gonna shot it. It tastes really bad. And I am gonna go to Ayana's house after this. Everyone was like stopping in between. Niggas is on my body, like I don't know what it is, but I'm just enjoying the day. Like, how do you guys enjoying Vlogmas day 1? Okay, yeah. So we're just gonna continue to enjoy this drink and head out now. Yeah. So I changed my jacket now. Hey guys, we at Trader Joe's now. I completely forgot to vlog the other part of the day, but you know, with Ayana per usual. Oh, the entrance is that way. And we're cooking dinner, and we're just gonna have a cute night in. Yes, you should get. Poinsettias. I feel like they're old lady.
Yeah, they are. They're not. Oh, okay. Over here.
The flowers is not really eaten. Okay.
Over here is 7-Eleven.
Oh, you smell that like eucalyptus somewhere?
What? You know my body.
Yeah, it's right there. Put it in your shower head and tell me how it goes. Get a thing and you tie it on your shower head, and I heard it's like really good when you take a bath. And it gives holiday.
It does. I think you should get this.
I think you should get that one. And then is it come with the food at the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay. Ah, that's crazy.
You know, it was
I love this store.
It was $69 in the other place.
What the hell?
Oh, 64. That's how I'm just looking.
To the love of my. Should I get a green juice? I think I'm in the mood for a green juice.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get one for myself. Cause I didn't eat today.
Oh, that same juice that we had?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want? So, Ayana made us a vegan bolognese. Is this what we call it? Cause this is giving bolognese.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know. It's like
Oh, vegan though. Big up the chef.
wheat
Whole
roti.
wheat.
Whole wheat roti.
And we got the fake garlic bread, fake cheese.
I put it here.
Oh. Yes. Okay, that looks good. That looks
good.
very
But vegan cheese.
Yes, it looks good. The vegan cheese doesn't look bad.
Yeah, it doesn't. And then
Hey guys, back home now after a long, very long day. I know I didn't really do what I said I was gonna do in the beginning in the morning. Day 1 down, but I know you didn't see much of like Christmas content except for like me being at the Essex market or whatever that I showed. But today was a good day. Like, do you hear this? Damn. But today was a good day overall. I'm so proud of myself. I finally put myself out there and took my content by myself in LES. Like, I shot content with my tripod, so look forward for those pictures because I did a really good job for like a really quick second of me taking photos. So I'm a little bit proud of myself. You know, it's one step to confidence, and New York is bringing it out of me. But basically tomorrow we're gonna try and go to the LV thing. I'm on my 30-day challenge. I'll tell you guys more about that tomorrow, but we're trying to wake up early at 6:30 a.m. every single day in the month of July because we got a very busy in the month of December, my fault, because we got a very busy schedule. So I will see you guys tomorrow morning.